Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota RAV4 side mirror. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. You will also need your new replacement side mirror assembly. This process is quite manageable, typically taking about 30 to 45 minutes for most people. We will cover each step carefully, ensuring you feel confident throughout the entire repair. Now let's begin by removing the damaged mirror. Start by gently prying off the small triangular trim piece near the mirror, then carefully remove the interior door panel. This usually involves unscrewing a few screws and using a trim removal tool to release clips. Once the panel is loose, you will see the electrical connector for the mirror. Disconnect this, then unbolt the 3 mounting nuts that hold the mirror to the door frame. Keep these nuts safe for later. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install your brand new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame, aligning the studs with the holes. Hand tighten the 3 mounting nuts first, then use your wrench to snug them down securely, but do not over-tighten. Next, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror. Ensure the connection is firm and clicks into place, providing power to the mirror's functions. Before you finish up, it is crucial to test your new mirror. Turn on your vehicle and check that the electronic adjustments work correctly, moving the mirror glass up, down, left, and right. If your mirror has a heating function, test that too. Once everything is confirmed to be working perfectly, carefully reattach the interior door panel and all the trim pieces you removed earlier. Ensure all screws are back in place and clips are secure. You are all set.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.